Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Hey, I have a message for you. Oh, it's on my phone. But first, I'm gonna read it to you out loudly. Okay? Happy birthday, Papa Christian. I love you. Oh, Papa, thank you for taking care of me and Mama all the time. You are the best Papa in the world. Thanks for everything, Papa. I just want you to know how that I appreciate you and love you always and forever. On your birthday, Papa, I wish you don't do sugal na. I promise I'll always be a good boy when you and Mama grow old. And I promise to take care of you both just like you did when I was a baby. I love you, Papa. Happy birthday!
Hello, Christian, happy birthday. Sana maging maganda ang buhay mo dyan sa Canada, kasama mo ang pamilya mo. Maging ayos, huwag kang gagawa ng mga kalokohan. Pakita mo sa pamilya mo ang pagmamahal mo. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad mo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Christian. Very happy birthday today, and God bless you, and good luck on all your undertakings. Be happy with your family there and spend memories with them. Okay? Happy birthday. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday,
Christian.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ano ba na akong ipin?
Hi Christian! Happy birthday anak! First birthday mo to na wala ka dito sa piling namin. Pero masaya ako dahil alam kong mas masaya ka dahil kasama mo na ang pamilya mo dyan. Enjoy your special day anak! Mahal na mahal kita. Huwag mong pababayaan ang pamilya mo at lalo na rin ang sarili mo. Lagi ka mag-iingat at matutong makinig sa pangaral ng asawa mo at pangaral ko at ni Mama Sharon mo, ha? I love you, anak. Again, happy birthday. I miss you, anak. I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello, Christian. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Bumuo ka ng pamilya na punong-puno ng pagmamahalan. Andyan si Caleb. Abutin mo yung pangarap mo. Nandyan ka na sa Canada. Okay? I love you. Mahal kayo ng Diyos. God loves you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Christian! More blessings to come.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hey anak, ingat kayo lahat dyan ha. Happy birthday Christian, padala mo raw kami ng pansit ni Papa dito, birthday. Papa Abit.
Batiin mo pa.
Happy birthday. Ingat kayong lahat yan. Sabihin mo kay Bumbum. Kay Mikay.
Happy birthday Kuya Christian. Ito yung first birthday mo na hindi mo kami kasama. Pero alam ko na happy ka kasi kasama mo yung pamilya mo dyan sa Canada. Sana huwag ka na magsugal. Mas masarap maghanap buhay para sa pamilya, hindi pang bayad sa mga utang mo. And ayun, lagi ka lang mag-iingat sa yung scoliosis mo. Lagi mo tandaan na mahal ko kayo nila Caleb at Ate Mikay. Nandito lang ako palagi kapag kailangan nyo ng tulong o mag-aalaga kay Caleb. Miss na miss ko na kayo.
Christian, happy birthday. Sana lagi kang happy. And alam ko, kahit ikaw mag-isa lang sa buhay, masaya ka at may sarili kang mundo. Joke. I love you, ya. Miss ka na namin. Lalo na ako. Kasi, nung simula't una, ikaw lagi kasama ko. Ano man dumaan na pagsubok, ano man unos, napakatibay mo, ya. Kaya, ikaw si Robin Hood, eh.
Yung mga idol kita, papahaba rin ako ng bigote, tsaka ng balba. Tsaka ng buhok, parehas tayo. Kaya lagi ka mag-ingat dyan sa Canada, ya. Mahal na mahal kita. That's my kuya. Happy birthday! Love you so much. Ingat kayo ng pamilya mo dyan. Tayong tatandaan. Love ka namin dito. Anong mangyari? Love you.
Yo! Happy birthday nga pala sa utol ko si Christian. Alam mo na, enjoy your day, bro. Yeah, mista kita. Alagaan mo lagi yung pamilya mo dyan, ha? Magtrabaho ka mabuti. Peace, talpa ka na.
Happy birthday ka, Christian, my idol. Lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan sa Canada at lagi mong alagaan yung katawan mo, healthy foods, and see you soon, kuya. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. God bless.
Kuya Christian, mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Ate Mikay, ni Caleb, ikaw, ayun lang, tsaka madaming chocolate pengi.
Christian, happy birthday. More blessing and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Christian. Ang wish ko sa'yo, may have more birthdays to come. Be a blessing. Continue to be a blessing to others. Be grateful of what you have right now. Love your family. Love your wife, your children, your parents, and don't forget kung saan ka nagmula. Alam ko naman, masipag ka, and makakamit mo lahat kung ano yung pinapangarap mo. Wish ko lang, one step at a time, try to be patient, and hope na makamit mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Don't forget na to pray always, to give all your best to everything na gagawin mo. Hope today, your special day, sana enjoy your day, and huwag mo kaming kalilimutan dito sa Philippines. Okay, love you, bye-bye.
Hey Christian, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Hope you spend the day with your loved ones and they treat you well and they get you lots of food, lots of pancit, mango cake maybe. I'm also very, very happy and very proud that you got your open work permit, and hope that we can get you your permanent residency soon because we need you here with your family. Have a great day.
Hi Kuya Christian, happy birthday, and sana maging happy and blessed ang birthday mo ngayon, and sana ma-achieve niyo pa ni Ate Mikay and ang buong family ang milestones and achievements, and wish you all the best and good health, and sana magpatuloy pa ang pagbibigay ng blessings sa inyo ni God. And happy birthday from me and Toby. Happy birthday. Toby, happy birthday.
Surprise ka ba? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang kaarawan. Ngayon, nandito ka na. Pag nagpapayo ako sa inyo, huwag niyo sasamain na. I was just here to be your second mom.
Canada.
With Mikay. Mommy B in Canada. No? Mommy B in Philippines, it's Tita V Santos. Me, Mommy B.
Hello everybody! Kumusta na kayo dyan? Happy birthday, Christian!
Happy birthday, Christian. Kumusta na kayo dyan?
Sabay tayo. Happy birthday, Christian! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nak! Ang wish ko lang maging maayos ang kalagayan mo dyan. Happy ka na kasama ang pamilya mo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Nak.
Christian, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Christian. Di ka na punta kami kagada. May madami na kaming pera. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday sana. Ingat palagi dyan. Good luck sa journey mo dyan sa Canada. Grind lang ng grind. Yakan mo yan. Ingat palagi, San. Ingat. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hi, Chan. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Ingat kayo dyan lagi nila, Mikael.
Birthday or Ethan.
Oh, galing yan.
Birthday, Kuya Christian. Ingat po palagi.
Christian, oy, pagkain namin mamaya, padala mo na kami ng pamasko. Happy birthday, Nak!
Pamasko. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Christian. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Christian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Christian. Yeah. Happy birthday, Kuya Christian. Ayan si Okang. Namimiss na kayo ni Okang. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Boss Christian. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Chan! Ingat lagi! Ingat kayo ng family mo. Have a great day. Bye!
Hello guys, nandito kami. At bago ang lahat, nabati kita ng happy birthday, Christian, kasama ng aking mga tropa. Happy birthday mo na, happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yan, nasa ano kami, sa... Ano bang ano to? Expressway. Pagdating namin, magpahinga ka na lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Christian, happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Alagaan mo yung mag-iina mo. Bye-bye. Kiss to Caleb.
Chan, happy birthday! Magpadala ka ng isang kahon. Mainit sa bubong. Happy birthday, Christian ha. Happy birthday, Christian.
Maligayang bati, kaibigan. Kamusta ka na? Miss ka na ni Ampong. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Lagi mo tatandaan, iwanan mo sa bahay, huwag mong dadalhin. Ha? Malayo ka pa naman. God bless, ingat lagi dyan. Regards sa family mo. Happy birthday.
Kaya happy birthday to you. Matutupad na lahat ng pangarap mo dyan sa Canada. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. I miss you so much, best.
Yo, pare, happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka, hanggat gusto mo. Kaya ka namin dito sa mundo. Peace.